She's beautiful.
Who?
Your concubine.
I don't know what you're talking about.
If you must know, your well-loving husband is catching so much fun at the moment as we speak, right there with his concubine at Santa Cruz Hotel.
Are you now a prostitute that I have to pay you before anything?
Which one is that? Am I not a prostitute? What do you mean by that?
Oh, since it has gotten to that extent that I have to give you money before I make love to my wife, it's okay.
You need to start getting prepared to have a co-wife. Listen, there is no husband in town and no woman is smiling right now. Get out! Get out! Thunder that to find my husband is still doing press up.
This madness has to stop.
We'll be having a new family member soon, and so I thought it wise to come here so we all live as one big, happy family.
You came into my house and you're telling me to my face that you're pregnant for my husband.
You're pregnant. It's a lie. For real?
Yes, baby.
I need you to move your stuffs out of our room to the guest room.
The only thing that can stop a cheating husband is the grace of God.
Huh?
There's nothing bad if I and kill myself. At least when we get to the spiritual world, you will not be able to cheat again.